What's going on, Pro Cutters? I got Ramsey's here and we're digging footers. What's going on, Pro Cutters? John back with another one, and Ramsey's Excavating came through today for me and we're able to get out here to the homestead. Now I'm up on the top. Behind me you can see the hole, and we've got the footers all dug in. So the footer goes all the way around the outside of where the building is, and there's going to be a 8-inch step down there and an 8-inch step down there, and then over here it steps back up 16 inches. And the reason I'm saying 8 inches and 16 inches, that's because your footers are going in, and then there's going to be block on top of it, and you always need your block work to be on 8 inches, because that's what your thickness of a block with the grout line is, 8 inches. So hopefully getting a steel delivery on Monday, we'll get the steel put in, and then Tuesday morning the inspector will be out, and then hopefully Tuesday afternoon we can get the concrete in there. But we're going to need a pump truck, because this is just, if we pull the concrete truck up here or even over there, there's just no way. This is too big of a project to do without a pump truck or a wheelbarrow. Either way, pump truck's easier than a wheelbarrow, but you know, it's also an additional $500 bill. So we'll see what happens. I'll be speaking with my concrete guy later today. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more on this build, the Southern Living Design 4 Gables.